How to make a sound with the saxophone. Now, you don't actually need the whole thing in order to make a sound. The only thing you need is the mouthpiece with your reed and ligature. They have to be put on the right way, and we've gone over how to put that together. But once you have the reed on the mouthpiece and the ligature tightened, it should look like this. In order to make a sound, you're going to put your bottom lip over your bottom teeth. And then you're going to put the reed on top of your bottom lip, which is covering your teeth. That way you won't ever put your teeth directly on the reed. Now the top teeth are going on the top of the mouthpiece. You're not putting your lip over the top row of teeth. You're only putting the bottom lip over the bottom row of teeth, and the top row of teeth are going to be touching the mouthpiece. Bottom lip over bottom row of teeth. Top row of teeth on the mouthpiece. Then you use the sides of your mouth, the muscles in the sides of your mouth right here. You can see mine tightening and loosening. You use those to tighten up and gently push the reed up towards the mouthpiece. And while you do that, you blow a stream of air from your diaphragm. You can see my muscles loose at first and then tighten up. Now the more I tighten, the higher the pitch will go, and the more I loosen while still maintaining a stream of airflow so it's vibrating the reed, the lower the pitch will go. I can put the mouthpiece back on the horn, and without pushing any keys, I can make a sound on the saxophone. That's how you make a sound on the saxophone.